In front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download any recorder app because this smartphone already has one. So find it, this is how it looks, and click on it. If you never used it, tap on Allow in all pop-ups for it to work. And then before recording, hit this gear on the left. Most people miss that you can manage all of those options beforehand, like format. Either way, when you're done with all of those, go back and use the red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause it first and hit left one. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Now to access your recordings, click on the right button when recorder is off and tap on any of them to listen to it. You can also hold it to manage it by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner to check out all of those sections, like rename, or get rid of it by tapping on bin icon and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!